Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming Matterspark 2 is updated and your license or trial is active. Once done, connect your workspace. Paste the API key, point to the project folder, and grant the two permissions the app requests. Next, open Dashboard and click New Project. Choose a template if you want presets or pick blank to control every setting. This first sequence gets your environment stable, so subsequent steps execute predictably, and you avoid setup errors later. You now build the core pipeline. Drag connectors to map your CSV, SQL, or cloud sources and set a sensible refresh schedule. Then assemble steps in order instead of random blocks. Ingest, transform, validate, and export. Add conditional branches where data diverges. Make sure to scope variables correctly and attach error handlers to catch failures early. Also, enable parallel runs when processing large batches to improve throughput. Doing this balances speed against resource limits. You wrap up by running a dry run using representative sample data, and then examine logs and validation summaries to confirm zero critical errors. Once satisfied, deploy by scheduling production runs, setting alert channels, and turning on version snapshots for quick rollback. If something breaks, start by checking connector authentication and token expiry, then inspect the error logs for stack traces, roll back to the last known good snapshot, and rerun the job. That sequence minimizes downtime and preserves data integrity as you recover.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.